beste CD van die jaar. So gaan koop gerus en van as video's, ek het al daarna geluister en geniet het daai. Ek hoop julle geniet die aand.
Baie dankie. So ek het 'n baie goeie idee. Hoeveel tubes treine moes julle opklim en afklim en opklim en lyne, verskillende kleure. Jy weet die noordlyn, die sentrale lyn en al daai dinge. En dit is net te fantasties om mens besef skielik jy is werklik Suid-Afrikaans. Maak nie saak of jy in Londen is nie, iemand praat met jou en sê, ek onthou jy het dit gesê in Bidbank. Vanaand wil ek julle op 'n reis neem deur die hoogtepunte van my loopbaan. So dit is die dinge wat my inspireer het. Van Sonkring tot Skaliedans, van Tolbox in die wind tot Girl with a Divided Heart, van Londen tot Italië, van Frans tot Afrikaans. And then I would also like to pay tribute to the greats who have inspired me. Piaf, of whom they said, she resembled a Spanish beggar. Brel is musiek die van die hart is, Nana Muscuri, Frida Bocada, en mees onlangs, Marlene Dietrich. So, come take my hand, and I'll show you my land. It's all inside my head, the green, the blue, and the red, and what the poet said. But enough said, let the music speak for itself. In spite of all, we're still together. So many years of smiles and tears. How many times we felt forever. By the side of mine, only to say goodbye. Some melting heart has got a heart. Her lips will be red, her lazy sun glow, so red around her head. You swore you'd never come, though you were far away. How could you use a heart like other hearts would stray away? Come. And The story's the same whenever you're at Rose, and no one is to blame. It's just the way it goes. You're not the best response, but love can be unkind. But still the world goes round, and one heart left behind.